Okay, the zone just redrew, so I do have a buy at the same exact area. Again, we're still off of the here, which is at 48. This will be my last try here. We have volume and price exhaustion at 41.48. Off of the 60-minute opening range low, lights flashing green. 3, 2, 1. There's the order at 48. And now I'm filled. I'll look for the 3 to 1, the bounce line there. We have a green light coming off support. Our target is right here. It's the furthest white line, but the bounce line's strong, so that's where I'll look to exit. We also have the opening range high there. You might get some hesitation at this first white line here, about 54. But that's where we normally look to exit up there. But because we have both of these resistances, we'll look for an exit up here. We have a nice green light still. Hoping for a bounce off the opening range low back to the opening range high, which is not unusual, normal. Okay, so it's kind of hesitating right at that white line there. Like I said, from there it could still pull back to buy 0.3 here. So you see how it turned at that white line right there? Notice I don't move my stop. Either I get stopped out here or it goes up and hits my target. As you don't know how many times it's going to test buy 0.3. Could be, hopefully it hits buy 0.3 and goes straight up, but it could come back a couple of times. As if you bring your stop up too early, you'll get stopped at break even and miss the big run. And if it stops you out at 5 ticks, well, that's a risk that you were looking for. Or in this case, it would have been 6 if you had entered at buy 0.3. We got in at buy 0.1 though. So you don't do anything. The hardest part is sitting on your hands. I'm looking for a new high here. Now, once you make a new high, if you wanted to, you could bring your stop to break even if you get nervous, but not until you make another new high here would you want to consider that. So it's still holding on this white line right here, but that's not your target. Your target's up here. So I'm still not going to adjust. Didn't make a new high, don't adjust. Otherwise you'll come back, stop your break even. So we're inside the opening range. It's just a chop zone. You can see we're just chopping back and forth. It hasn't changed the setup at all, but it's just taking its sweet time. So it only went to this white target here, didn't go higher yet. Could still happen. Still, either I don't do anything. Could miss our stop by a tick and go up there, or come down and hit my stop and then I'll be at break even again. And this is why you don't move your stop. You accept the risk. We took it on. Okay, I'm going to risk this much. If it stops me, okay. Otherwise, if you too many people would have traded this and got scared, and I'm sure a lot of people saw this and were trading it and then got scared. Oh, it came down. Oh, it came down. It came down. And so they got break even or maybe 2 ticks and they're happy. Like, yeah, I got 2 ticks. It's not worth 2 ticks. Going through all that for 2 ticks. It either stops you out and it's like, okay, fine, or comes up and is your target. Alright, so we need to get past these highs right here, which I think we will this time. Everybody else was just scared out. Okay, that's good. I'm going to bring my stop to break even again now, because I don't want to come back down. That's resistance coming down. Already made the new high, so I will bring it to break even now. And then hopefully we hit the 3 to 1. If not, then I get a break even. We should go up to the bounce line at least. Alright, so still pushing. See if we break that high. There you go. Good, got it. So that was a little. The trade worked exactly like it was supposed to, but it wasn't, nice little crisp hit and go because it's a slow, choppy market. And again, the target's right here. That's where we're potentially. We just hit the target. That's one tick from it, which is right there. So that's where we should have been looking for the exit, but we had very strong resistance, so I took the safer route. Otherwise, that would have put me at 500 there.